Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe buttons for all things smart home. Today, we're going to dive into the world of smart locks, specifically looking at the differences between Deadbolt and Mortise smart locks. So, let's unlock the details, shall we? In the world of smart home security, locks play a crucial role. But did you know there are different types of locks you can choose from? The most common ones are Deadbolt locks and Mortise locks. Both have smart versions available, but what exactly separates the two? First, let's discuss Deadbolt locks. Deadbolts are named for their mechanism. When you turn the key or knob, a solid metal bolt slides from the door into the frame, barring entry. In smart Deadbolt locks, this mechanism is motorized and can be controlled remotely through a smartphone app or even your voice with some smart home systems. They're often installed in addition to your existing lock, giving you an extra layer of security. Moving on to Mortise locks. These are a bit more complex than Deadbolt locks. A Mortise lock requires a pocket, the mortise, to be cut into the door where the lock is to be fitted. It's an all-in-one system, incorporating the lock body and the latching mechanism. Smart Mortise locks, like their traditional counterparts, are known for their strength, but they also come with smart features like fingerprint recognition, Wi-Fi connectivity, and more. So what are the main differences? Installation is a key point. Deadbolt smart locks are easier to install and usually don't require any changes to the door. On the other hand, Mortise smart locks require professional installation due to the complexity of fitting the lock into the door. In terms of security, both offer robust protection, but Mortise locks are often considered more secure due to their integrated design. However, both smart Deadbolt and Mortise locks provide convenience with features like remote access, visitor codes, and integration with other smart home devices. And that wraps up our comparison of Deadbolt and Mortise smart locks. Both offer a great blend of security and convenience. It ultimately depends on your specific needs and the current setup of your door. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Leave us a comment below about which smart lock you prefer and why. Until next time, stay secure.